Alright guys, we're headed back out to work a little bit more on those trailers. Last time I was there, I got the 2 rear stabilizers put on, welded in. Today I'm going to do the 2 fronts. The 2 fronts I'm going to have to cut a plate and kind of weld in between like the tongue rail and the actual frame rail of the trailer and try to get the jack in there because they want a little more ground clearance than the back ones. So we're headed over there now, and I'll try to show you guys as much as I got done so far, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here's the stabilizers I already got put on. They got them in the position right now. Here's the other one. Try to get it tucked in there as close as possible for safety hazards. Nobody bumps their shin on it, or cut a corner a little tight and hit it. So those are in there. Now these front ones, we're gonna go up underneath there. So I'm about to cut a piece. I got all my stuff in here. Need some tubing. I'm gonna use that plate right there. We'll be throwing those guys on today. Just stay tuned. Alright guys, hope you can hear me okay, but underneath the trailer where the tongue frame comes in there that meets the frame of the actual trailer, it's got a degree of, you can see it, about a little more than 15 degrees. I gotta make a cut, so I'm gonna bust out the fine 14-inch cold cut, save the day. I gotta cut 2 of these guys, weld them in there underneath, in between the frame supports, and then I'm gonna tack the stabilizers on here, weld them out, and then I'm gonna go to the other one. So yeah, we're getting her. Do to save time, I'm gonna take this guy here. It's gonna mark the same thing. I'm gonna put them dead nuts right there. Get them all over here. I gotta find my pin. I'm gonna make a mark here. I'm gonna cut this one so when I go to the other side, just slap them in and go. So I got them marked up. Put in here. Check and see. Pretty close. Let's do a little bit. That'll work. Jam that up. Flip her up. Torque. Time. Yeah, I got those perfect, got lined up. All right, now I'm gonna hop underneath there, and I'm gonna clean them up first, and then I'm gonna hop underneath there and set them in place and tack them, and we'll be on our way. Just quick little update. Got this guy on, got it supported. Cross section in there. Yep, that one's good to go. Now it's time to move the other side. Alright, got them in. Got the these little supports welded in here to the frame. So here's the side of the frame for the trailer. There's the tongue frame. I just added this cross member. Welded the top of the jack, the stabilizer jack, right to it. Did the same thing to that guy over there. That guy back there, and the other one. It's a nice little fun project. But yeah, that's it. Everything came out level. Trailer's way more stable. Customer's very happy and excited to have this done, so makes you feel good at the end of the day. But yeah, now I get to go back to the house and clean up the truck and get ready for the next one. All right, just a quick little walk around. Finished product. Very happy with how this came out. A whole lot more stable, a lot more safe. These are all tucked underneath there. Nobody's gonna run in with their shin or trip on them or get hurt. So yeah, that's that. Another satisfied customer.